Good morning, everybody. This is lecture 4 of FIBSc, paper 2nd, chapter 1st, physics of atom. This is the last lecture of this chapter here. Last time we saw just we have revised all things here. Last time we saw here the series here, Lamel series, Balmer series, Paschen series, bracket series, and Claypool series here. We know equation for the series is 1 upon lambda is equal to new bar, your number it is equal to r into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square here. So this is the equation for this is the equation here, 1 upon n2 square here. So for lambda series, what is here? N1 is equal to 1 and n2 is equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on here, where r is done nothing but the Rydberg constant here. For Balmer series here, n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 3, 4, 5 and so on here. For Paschen series, n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to 4, 5 and that here. For bracket series, n1 is equal to 4 and n2 is equal to 5, 6, 7 that here. And for P4 series here, n1 is equal to 5 and n2 is equal to 6, 7 and that here. So here these are the information here. What is the meaning of that here? In case of Lamel series, electron jumps from n2 is equal to 2, 3, 4 to n1 is equal to 1 here. And similarly in bracket series here, Balmer series, n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 3, 4, 5 means here electron jumps from number 3, 4, fifth orbit to n2 n1 is equal to 2 here, and some meaning for that here. Today we have to solve some examples from the this paper, this chapter here. So this format is very important for solving the example here. So I write the example here in detail here, and you write the example here, then you can understand here. So examples are very important in physics here to clear your concept here. So example is, so first example is the series limit for Balmer series here. The series limit for Balmer series of hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum is, it is 3.64 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. Calculate the value of Rydberg constant. So this is the example here. So for solving the example here, read the example carefully. Some informations are given, some information are indirectly given, and then what is asked that we have to write here, and then we have to solve the examples here. So solution here. So read the example carefully and properly here. The series limit for Balmer series of hydrogen spectrum is, so lambda is given, lambda is equal to 3.64 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter, it is given here. And find the value of Rydberg constant here. Remember here, it is your Balmer series is given here, and limit, this word is very important here. So Balmer series, we know here what is 1 upon lambda? 1 upon lambda is equal to r into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square here. Now as this is the Balmer series here, we know that here it is Lamel series, Balmer series, Paschen series and P4 series here. In this case here n1 is equal to 2 and n2 is equal to 3, 4 and 5 here. So that we have right here. So in the case of Balmer series, n1 is equal to 2 and n2 is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity here. But remember here, in this case here, the series limit here. So what is the limit of Balmer series here? Up to n2 is equal to infinity here. So for that word limit here, we have to take here n2 is equal to infinity here. So these informations are given here. Now what is lambda? Lambda is given here. So substitute the value here, and then what we have to calculate here, and then we have to calculate here r is equal to what here. We have to find out the value of Rydberg constant here. So this equation becomes 1 upon 3.64 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter is equal to r into 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon infinity square here. So 1 upon infinity square, it becomes 0 here. So this become here, it is r upon 4 here. So it is 1 upon 3.64 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. It is as it is here. So what is the value of r? R is equal to, this 4 goes to the left hand side, it goes to the numerator here, because this is in the denominator here. So this equation becomes 4 upon 3.64 into 10 raised to minus 7 minus 7 meter. Now we have 4 upon 3.67, 64, it is near about 1 point not the actually that we have to write the value of that here, 1.97 here, 1.97 into this 7 minus 7 goes to the numerator here into 10 raised to 7 per meter here. So this is the value of R, read by cross. So it is very simple here. So what is R? R is equal to 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter here. So this is the value of read by cross. Okay. So here this is very simple example here. Now example gives you the idea about the concept here. Actually, what is the concept behind that here? So then we have to solve the second example here. So this is first example. So I am going to write the second example in detail here. Then you can dictate that example here and try to solve the example here. So example 2 is find the wave number here. Remember here. So example 2, find the wave number. Find the wave number of second line of partial series. Okay. So given Rydberg constant R is equal to 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter here. So read the example carefully and properly here. So what we have to calculate here? Find the wave number of second line of Balmer series here. So solution here. Remember here, partial series is given. Okay. So what is the equation for that here? We know here 1 upon lambda is equal to R into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square here. Last time I told you 1 upon lambda is equal to nu bar. Okay, and this is known as the wave number here. So it is not different thing here. So find the wave number means here it is 1 upon lambda here. So wave 1 upon lambda is equal to nu bar is equal to. So here it is also nu bar. So that we have to find out the nu bar here. So it is the, and then what is the partial series we know here? Lambda series, Balmer series, bracket series, LB partial series here. So here in this case it is third series here. In this case here n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to 4, 5, 6. Otherwise we can write here, we can solve here. So it is your n is equal to 3, n1 is equal to 3, it is 4, 5, 6 and so on here. So n1 is equal to 4, n1 is equal to 5, n1 is equal to it is n2 is equal to 6 here. So electron jump from 4 to 3, 5 to 3, 6 to 3 here. So why I draw this figure? Because you must know that here find the wave number of second line of partial series here. So in this case here, in case of partial series, n1 is equal to 3, Lambda series, Balmer series, and it is your partial series here. n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, dash here. But it is given that here find the wave number for the second line. What is the second line here? What is first line here? n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to 4 here. And what is second line here? n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to 5 here. So this is the second line here. So in this case here, we know here n2 is equal to 4, 5, 6, so dash here. But in this case for second line here, n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to 5 here. So we got the information from second line here. We got this information here. And what is the what we have to find? Find the wave number here. So we got this information. Rydberg constant R is equal to given. It is your 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter here. Now the remaining is the calculation here. So 1 upon lambda is equal to nu bar is equal to 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter into 1 upon n1 square. What is your 1 upon 3 square? So 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon 5 square here. So we get here nu bar is equal to 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter into 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 25 here. So you can easily calculate here. It is odd. We can write here 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter into it is 25 minus 9 divided by 225 here. So 25 multiplied by 9 you will get here 225 here, and after that here you will get here 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter into it is your 16 divided by 225 here, and I can write directly. You can dictate the answer of that here. The value of that is, it is near about 0.07888 into 10 raised to 7 here. So this is the value of nu bar here. So it is very simple here. So here remember from second line here you will get information n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to 5 here. So this is the equation and this is the answer of that here. So next to that here we have to solve the third example here. I can dictate the third example also clearly, and then you can write all these things in your notebook here. So third example is, write the example here. Third example is, remember, find the relative population. Find the relative population. Find the relative population of two series in a ruby laser. In a ruby laser. In a ruby laser that produces a light beam of wavelength means lambda is equal to 7993 isolated at 300 degree Kelvin, and given K, Bose-Einstein constant K is equal to 8.61 into 10 raised to minus 5 electron volt per degree Kelvin. So here this is the example here. So I already told you that here. Read the example carefully here and then find out the formula to solve the example here. So solution here. What is the solution here? Now first write the given information here, then write the what we have to calculate here. So relative population. So this one is very important. Underline this, relative population. A relative population of two series here. Now we know here, actually we must know that here n1 is equal to e raised to minus c1 upon kt here. In the first chapter, in that chapter here, we saw in first or second lecture, we saw here n1 is equal to e raised to minus c1 upon kt, n2 is equal to e raised to minus e2 upon kt here. So relative population means here n2 upon n1 is equal to, and solve this here, we solve this here, e raised to minus e2 minus c1 upon kt here. So e2 minus c1, what is here? We know here e2 minus c1 is equal to h2 here. So here it is e raised to minus h2 upon kt here. So this is the formula for this example here. So what is formula? So write down this formula here. We know here n2 upon n1 is equal to e raised to minus h2 upon kt here. This is the formula here. Now write the given information here. What is the given information here? It is wavelength is given here. So in this case here lambda is equal to 7993 into isolated here. Now what is isolated here? It can be written as 7993 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter here, minus 8 centimeter or minus 10 meter here. Now here t is equal to, so t is equal to 300 degree Kelvin here, and Bose-Einstein constant K is equal to 8.61 into 10 raised to minus 5 electron volt per K here. So this is the example here. Now remember here we have to find out first h nu, we have to find out first kt here. So what is h nu here? So h nu is equal to 6. We know here h is equal to, we know the value of h is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second here. This is the value of Planck's constant here h. So first we find out h nu, then we find out kt, and then we substitute to the e raised to minus h2 upon kt, and then you will get the value of h2 upon n1. It is a relative population here. So h2 means here 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second here. So what is nu here? Nu is not given here, but indirectly it is given here. So we know that here what is c? C is equal to nu lambda. Nu is not given here. but we know that here what is nu? Nu is equal to c upon lambda. C is the velocity of light, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. What is lambda? Lambda is given here, so it is lambda is equal to 7993 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter here. So in this case here we can find out lambda nu here. So we can write that here. So h nu e to minus h nu is equal to h into it is equal to h nu is equal to, actually we can write here h nu is equal to h into nu is equal to c upon lambda here. So c is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second and divided by lambda is 7993 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter here. So meter gets cancelled, it is per second gets cancelled. The you can calculate this value here. You will get the value of that is I can write directly value because without wasting time here. You can calculate here. So you will get it is 2.55 into 10 raised to minus 19 and remaining is joule here. So we have to convert it into the electron volt. How can we convert that here? So it is 2.55 into 10 raised to minus 19 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. You will get here electron volt here. So after calculation you will get the value of that is it is 1.593 electron volt here. So we get H2 value of H2 here. So we can write directly here. So H2 is equal to, so we get here H nu is equal to 1.593 electron volt here. Then we have to find out KT here. What is K? Then we have to find out KT here. So K into T. K is the possible constant. It is given here. It is 8.61 into 10 raised to minus 5 electron volt per Kelvin. And T in the weather 300 degree Kelvin here. So this K gets cancelled, you will get. So I can write this value also. So KT is equal to 8 point that we can write directly here. So here we can write directly here. So we get here N2 upon N1. We can write here it is 1.593 e raised to upon 8.61 into 10 raised to minus 5 electron volt. It is electron volt here. So you will get the value of that here. It is e raised to minus 61.6 electron volt gets cancelled here. You will get e raised to 1.76 into 10 raised to minus 27 here. So you will get here N2 upon N1. It is the relative population is 1.76 into 10 raised to minus 27 here. So here this is the relative population here. Remember from the word here that relative population here we come up to this step here. Relative population we must know here what is N1, what is N2, then what is the relative population ratio of that. Here you will get here N2 upon N1 is equal to e raised to minus h2 upon kt here. Some quantity are directly given, some quantities are indirectly given here. First we have to find out h here, but nu is not given here, but lambda is given here. So we must know the relation between lambda, nu and c here. C is equal to lambda, so nu is equal to you will get here nu after substituting the value you will get here h nu here, and then kt calculate. Kt is very simple here. K is already given and t is equal to 300 degree Kelvin here. Then you can substitute in the this formula here. N2 upon N1 is equal to e raised to. So here this is your minus here. E raised to minus this value here. You will get e raised to minus 61.6 and you will get here 1.676 into 10 raised to minus 27 here. So this is the value of the relative population. Relative population for the Ruby laser here. So then again in the last, I think I think that here we can complete all the examples here. But again we have to solve some examples from the chapter in the next chapter here. So till have a good day. Bye.